This is fun.
Why would you want to go? Look at that. Holy crap.
It's crazy. Look at how clear the sky is, like right over there. And then look at how dusty it is right there. It's moving pretty fast too.
Yeah.
Look to the right of you. It's already hitting us right here to the right. Pretty much.
I just washed my car. Oh shit. Here it comes right here. We're off the window.
Get this over here. Look at that.
Here it comes.
Look, it's like hitting right now. Oh, there's cars. They're just driving to get away from it.
Right.
Whoa, look at that in the street. Look to the right. You can't really see through those windows, those are tinted. Oh god, look at that. Somebody's cool toy is being blown. Should we go?
For it.
Imagine if somebody was having like a little party outside right now. That sucks. Dang, look at that. Look at that kid on the bike. He's like, I gotta get home. Bird. You see that? Bird's to the right. It's the end of the world. It's crazy, huh? Well, I hope behind that there's a bunch of rain. You don't have your seatbelt on. Look at this cop. He's flying. Look at that. Boom. We had him on camera. We should citizen arrest. Citizen arrest.
You can't even see the light from here. That's crazy.
I know. That is crazy. The light's right there. We can't even see it. Oh no, the light's out.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Look.
No, that's why that cop is probably flying right there. That light is out.
It's
oh no,
red.
it's not. You're right. Holy crap. It's like almost entering into a different world right now. What's that? Dune. Dune. Dang, look over here. Yeah, put your seat on. Look how thick that is over there. It's crazy.
That's what I was trying to tell you. Like, you don't want to go drive in right now.
Well, we're just gonna sit home.
Just wait it out. Jeez, holy shit. Look at it. Holy shit.
Should we put our hazard lights on?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, why aren't my hazard lights coming on?
There it is.
Oh, they're there. Okay.
Slow.
I know, babe. I'm going slow. This guy's like freaking. This guy has his lights on, but he's going fast. Am I going too slow? Doing 40. Just clearing up a little bit right here. Looking that way though. Dang, that church. Think I can turn the hazard lights on?
Okay. Look at this. Holy crap.
Look at this little dust devil right here.
Yeah.
Oh, the freeway.
Can't see anything.
I know, that freeway is like blank. It's crazy. Here we are, Best Buy. I want to sit in the parking lot and make out and let this blow over. Did you stop